still hot. Hi my peoples, welcome back to this channel. It's MOANA. It's MOANA again. Yes, MOANA in the building. And in today's episode, I'm showing you how I make lemon beetroot cake. It is basically like lemon cake. I just pop in beetroot fruit to make it look nice, but the taste is like lemon. But anyhow, so I'm baking this cake for my friend. It's her birthday. She's going to enjoy it. I promised her a cake, so I'm baking it for her, and I'm showing you the whole procedure, how I make it, how I bake it, how I mix the whole ingredients, and you're going to see the outcome, and we are going to test it with her. She will tell you how it is, like genuine review. So yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, show me some love. Subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified every time I upload something. Yeah, so let's bake. this is the outcome. I said it looks nice.
Yes, it does. It looks nice.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me. I'm making a wish right now.
Yes.
Yay!
Wow.
Yay! Thank you so much.
And test it. Or to body if the test is legit.
It's still hot. So nice. So nice. So nice. Thank you.
Welcome. So, how old are we?
No.
No years, eh?
No, yes, I'm an adult.
See, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So yeah, thank you. Mwah! Let's feast.